Basic concept of Node.js. Node.js is an open-source, cross-platform runtime environment that allows developers to execute JavaScript code on the server side. It was built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine and is designed for building scalable and high-performance network applications. Key concepts of Node.js JavaScript. Runtime. Node.js enables you to use JavaScript outside the browser, allowing it to be used for backend development. It uses the V8 engine developed by Google, which makes it fast and efficient. Non-blocking I/O. Node.js uses non-blocking asynchronous I/O operations, meaning it can handle multiple tasks simultaneously without waiting for a task to complete. This is ideal for building scalable applications, like real-time chats or streaming services. Event-driven architecture. Node.js follows an event-driven programming model where actions are triggered by events, e.g., user clicks, API requests. The event loop allows Node.js to manage multiple client requests efficiently. Single-threaded. Node.js operates on a single-threaded model but uses multiple threads internally via the libov library to handle I/O operations. This helps it achieve concurrency without the overhead of multi-threading. Modules. Node.js uses a modular approach where reusable code is packaged into modules. The require function is used to load modules. The Node Package Manager, NPM, is used to install and manage third-party modules. Cross-platform. Node.js runs on various operating systems, including Windows, macOS, and Linux. Common use cases for Node.js: real-time applications, chat applications, e.g., WhatsApp-like messaging systems, real-time collaborative tools, e.g., Google Docs, web applications, RESTful APIs for mobile and web apps, server-side rendering for single-page applications, SPAs, streaming applications, video or audio streaming platforms, e.g. Netflix, IoT applications, Backend for Internet of Things, IoT devices,